Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a content filter block in your WordPress website. Why is content filter block? Okay, think about a scenario. You have lots of contents in one page in your website. You want to show them to your user in a categorized and stylized way. So what do you need? I think you need some keywords related to your content so people can search specific content or people can click on that keywords so that people can get what they really actually want in a specific way. Today we are gonna make this. So let's get started. Here in this tutorial, we'll use Ultimate Blocks plugin. So let's see how to do it. First, go to WordPress dashboard. To use Ultimate Blocks, first you need to install it. So go to plugin and click on add new plugin. Search Ultimate Blocks. Okay, see, here is the Ultimate Blocks plugin. I have already installed it, so I don't need it to install again. So you have to install it first and then you can activate it from here. And now let's go to a post where we'll use content filter block. Okay, let's name it first. Now you can add your block by typing slash or clicking on plus. Here I'm clicking on plus. It is visually pleasing. Let's search content filter. Okay, see, here is the content filter block. Click here and here you'll get a category first. Let's go to step by step. Let's add a category. Like say I have a product shop. I have varieties products in here. So let's add product type. So category name, I'll name it like product type. So naming is complete. Now click on plus here to add the specific keyword that you can assign later. So let's see. First, like electronics. Okay. And I can add another keyword like I have also food. Okay, I'm not making it complex. Now let's see, allow multiple selection. Okay, maybe sometimes your user can search electronics and food together. Maybe this is not very common, but there are lots of categories which can complement each other. Okay, add new category. So you will get another name and another plus sign from here. See, now you can name it like price range. So let's add a filter like high price, then low price, then moderate. Okay, these are all just hypothetical, not take it seriously. I'm just showing you. So from here, I'm not going to add another category. You can add as much category as you want. So here I'll add new content now. Okay, so let's add new content, and when you click on add new content, you'll get a field. This is something like another poster page, like this is a blank page. See, from here by typing slash or clicking on plus, you can add any kind of blocks that are available in your editor. So let's I want to add an image block. Okay, image block is here. Let's add an image. Okay, I'm searching from media library. Okay, what I have, this could be an electronics. Okay, now I have added an image. Now see, here is a little plus. Click on plus and you'll get anything. See, this is an electronics. Let's say electronics. Now see, it is added, and click another. This could be moderate pricing. So when people will click on electronics and moderate, I'm showing it a bit later. When user would click electronics, they will find this. When user would click on moderate, they will find this. Let's add another content, add new content. Okay, click on plus here. Let's add another image. Okay, and from media library, let's see, I want to click these cookies. So let's select. Okay, see, now you can assign it. This is food. As this is a premium cookie, let's set it high price. So I'm not gonna make it more complex. Let's see how it works. Okay, from here, preview in tab. Okay, say you have lots of product in one page and lots of scrolling, and then it could be real handy. Let's see how. Like when you click food, let's see, it is already representing food. Let's see, let's click on moderate. So now this one is also appearing. because we assigned it as moderate, you know. So this is it. This is our content filter block. So that's it for today. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel, and yeah, be with us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.